Hello Jeep fam, it's AMC Jeep Man here with a walk around video of my good friend's 1984 Jeep CJ7. This 84 CJ7 has a Jasper rebuilt AMC 4.2 liter or 258 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine that has been replaced. It has aluminum valve cover. I'll get some video of that in a moment. It has a T176 4-speed that has also been rebuilt. It's very tight, no sloppiness in the shifter. A Dana 300 transfer case with the stock 2.6 gears that has also been rebuilt. The front and rear axles have been rebuilt and have been re-geared to 3.54 from the original 273, and a lunchbox type LocRite locking differential has been added. Has 5 Ultra wheels and 5 33-inch Mickey Thompson tires on it. It has the 20-gallon factory extra capacity gas tank. You can see that the Jeep is in very good shape. It is garage kept. The owner has had it in excess of 30 years. That is a newer replace-a-top Bestop on the original factory style hardware. This Jeep also features a worn 8274 that my friend will let go with the Jeep if it's near the asking price. The Jeep drives excellently. We have a 1.5-inch body lift and a small 2-inch suspension lift, but he has driven it all over Virginia to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, and the only reason he's considering selling it is because he just doesn't drive it as much now. We'll get you some pictures of the interior. The interior features replacement Bestop reclining seats in gray. Has a dash pad. Jeep is showing 238,981 miles on it. The engine holds good oil pressure. It has also a replacement fold and tumble Bestop seat to match the fronts, and it comes with a bikini top as well. Roll bar pad, everything, the visors are all in great condition. Overall, this is an absolutely great, fantastic driver Jeep. The underhood is clean and complete. I have a yellow top Optima battery. The original factory jack is still in place. As you can see, the 258 has had a replacement valve cover, and as I said, this is a remanufactured Jasper engine. You can see right there, it's been put in. So we don't have that many miles on the Jasper. You can see when it was installed. It has a Carter BBD carburetor, but as you can tell, the electronic function has been removed, and this is the non-electronic style. Upgraded steering shaft. All of the exhaust, of course, is in great shape. The Jeep cranks and runs well. I've only got it here to do a little minor tuning from where it sets so long. But if you're interested in this Jeep, reach out to me at amcjeepman@hotmail.com for inquiries. Asking price will be posted in the comments.